Hi, friends, and welcome back. I hope everybody's had a lovely holiday break. I want to do an unboxing today from Beebeecrafts. So let's take a look and see what I have. I got a nice big haul from Beebeecrafts, and I thought you guys would like to see everything that I got. You know, one thing I will point out and tell you, is their packaging is very secure and very, very good. So I like that they package, really well, and you don't have to worry about anything getting broken in transmittal. So let's take a look. Let's get it all dumped out here and see what we have. Oh, it's exciting. I love getting new stuff. Don't you guys love? I love. Now, look at how cool this is, you guys. Let me get it all out here, and let's take a look and see what I have. You know, what I love about Beebeecrafts is that, like, look at the, like, when you order some of the bigger stuff, like, more like the multi-packs, they come in the containers, which is, it's great because it's already organized in a container, and then on top of it, the container is wrapped. So that's the case with a lot of the stuff that you get from them. So anyway, let's jump into it. So let's start here. These are so pretty. I love these. And these are a barely pink mix of pearlized glass pearls, and they're 6 millimeter. And there are 200 in this bag. 200. And look at these. Aren't they great? You know what I love too is I got a selection of stuff for, spring, because before you know it, spring will be here. So I like that. 200. I mean, and the price, oh my god, I'm going to put a link in the description box below. These prices, you guys, are nuts. You cannot believe. So those are going to be great. And then I got some opaque glass beads, and they are faceted rondelles, and they are 2.5 millimeter. And oh my goodness, look at these, you guys. Look at those. Look at how cute. Let me go ahead and open those up. Oh my goodness. They are precious, these little spring colors. Oh my gosh. 185 pieces per strand. Look at that's going to make a darling bracelet, but really super cute. Spring colors. And then the same thing over here, I got the faceted rondelles in the pink mix, and these are 3 millimeter. And these are approximately 140 per strand. So I got the same thing. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. So I've got the 2.5 millimeter and then the 3 millimeter, and these precious. Oh my god, these colors are precious. Love, love, love. So cute. They're so sparkly. Adorable. And then I got these are Electroplate glass beads with an 80 finish, and they're oval in the sky blue mix, and they are 4 millimeter. And these are about 70 per strand. Okay, you guys, if this does not scream an Easter basket or Easter egg, look at these. Look at these beads, you guys. Look at the sparkle and shine. Isn't that precious? And again, that's the sky blue mix, 4 millimeter. Oh my goodness. 8 by 6 by 4 millimeter. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That's just. Oh my goodness. They're just. I can't. I'm almost like gawing over those. absolutely adorable. So beautiful. Oh, I love those. And then, okay, you guys, you would not even believe the price. Okay, this is, these are electroplated glass beads, okay? So these are in pink, and these are 6mm bicones, okay? There's about 48 per strand, okay? And, okay, each strand is 10 inches, okay? And this is absolutely nuts. These are gorgeous. These are pink bicones with an AB finish. Look at these, you guys. I mean, look at that. Look at the amount of bicones that came in one lot. And you guys cannot even believe the price. I mean, it's almost sinful. But look at these, you guys. Oh my God, they're beautiful. And I'm going to love working with these for the upcoming Valentine's. And then, of course, getting into the spring. But that's a huge lot of bicones. I am very happy with those. Those are gorgeous. And again, those are 6mm. Oh my goodness gracious. Love, love, love. Okay, and so we've got all these beautiful spring mix beads here. Oh my goodness gracious. Let me grab a cutter here. And let's get into this. Now, this is the opaque solid and transparent mix of glass beads. And these are in, again, the pink color choice, and they are 6mm. There are 350. First of all, they're already in the box. Love it. 350 in this box. Look at these beads. Oh my heavens. I mean, I've got white and a light pink that is transparent, and then these are like a faceted, oh my God, they're almost a pink purple, and then the opaque pink, almost like a peach, and then the opaque lighter pink, and then the faceted transparent. Oh my goodness me. Look at these, you guys. Can you believe this? 350 beads in one container. And when you guys go on their site and look at this price, I'm telling you guys are going to flip out. So, awesome. Man alive. Let me move these this way. Oh my goodness. I'm so, like, oh. This is making me want to be in springtime. Okay, my lovies. So then what I got was I got some, these are Unicrafttale, but these are 304 stainless steel cord end caps for memory wire. Because I'm about to start making some memory wire bracelets. Getting into the Valentine holiday and the springtime. So again, I'm going to open the packaging here. Everything comes really nicely packaged. I really like that. And, you know, again, in your, you know, already in your box. So that's like a bonus because then it's already organized for you. But what I love about these, again, they're stainless steel, and they are anywhere from 2 to 3mm, and there's 100. And so these are fantastic if you're into making memory wire bracelets or memory wire necklaces or anything with memory wire. These are great. And so that's 100. 100 already in the box, stainless steel. So very happy about those. Those will go to good use. Love that. And then we get into their namesake brand. Let me just, again, open the package. And let me see here. Once I can get it open. Okay, and what I got here, I think I got some got some wire guardians. So what I got here is, this is and again, it comes in the box, and there's a little baggie in the box, and these are they're 40, but again, these are 925 sterling silver wire guardians, and these are 4.5 by 4 by 1 millimeter. So with a 0.6 millimeter hole. And so, are you kidding? You know, there's nothing better than getting sterling silver, 925 sterling silver, never gonna tarnish. That's wonderful. So that really kind of ups the game and elevates your jewelry if you're selling it. So I'm very happy to have some sterling silver that is worth its weight in gold, some wire guardians in sterling silver. And then I got some wire guardians in gold. And again, let me just get this package open here. And these are nickel free, and they are actually 18 karat gold plated. So, and as you know, my fellow beaders, you know, 18 karat gold filled, there's a difference between 18 karat gold filled and 18 karat gold plated. You always want to go with plated, okay, because it's just better. But these are nickel free. They're 18 karat gold plated, and again, they're 4 by 5 by 1.5 millimeter with the 0.6 millimeter hole, and they're 300. So there's 300 wire guardians in here. And then again, they come in the bag, and then, you know, you can keep them separated from your other findings in their own little container. That's what I love about that. So, listen, you guys, I'm going to put a link to all of these products, especially for those of you getting into the spring jewelry. You know, you guys, I'm going to put a link, and if you click the link, you will get, I will put a code, you'll get another 10% off of your order for any of this stuff. If you guys like any of this or want to start stocking up for some of your spring collections that we're going to start getting into making. But I think you guys are going to really love their product, and you're going to agree with me with the quality and the price. And then again, the packaging, it's really great. So I'll put links in the description for everything that I have here today. Please click on the link and head over to their website if you're interested in any of this stuff, and I'll give you a special code. The code is Gen10, and I'll put it's JEN10, Gen10, and that'll give you 10% off, but you have to follow the links in my description. That are in the description box. You got to follow the links over to their site in order to take advantage of that discount code. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed a little preview of my Beebeecraft haul. My first Beebeecraft haul for spring, for spring 2024. And so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed.